Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a QR code online for free using BoldSign's QR code generator. This tool is completely free. You do not need to sign up and everything happens right in your browser. Imagine you are a restaurant manager and want to generate a QR code that links to your digital menu, place it on tables or counters for customers to view the menu on their phones. Open your browser and go to the BoldSign free QR code generator page. I have added the link to this page in the video description. The page has two main sections. One displays the QR code and the other is the customization panel. Go to the URL or text field under the customization panel. Here, enter the URL or text you want to be displayed when the QR code is scanned. Since I'm linking to an online menu, I'll paste the menu link into the input field. The QR code updates instantly. You can export the QR code by clicking Generate QR Code and selecting the format you want to download. Now let's customize the QR code. You can adjust the pattern and background colors to match your branding. Choose from the preset colors or use the color picker to select your preferred color. In this case, I'll go with a black pattern color and a gray background color. You can also adjust the QR code size to fit your needs. Once you are satisfied with the design, the QR code is ready to use and export. You can copy the QR code and paste it wherever needed. To export it, click the Generate QR Code button. In this case, I'll choose PNG. The QR code PNG file is saved to my device. And if you want to create another QR code, simply refresh the page or change the input. Opening the saved QR code file reveals a neat and professional design ready to be used. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.